Hi everyone, I'm Brian. I'm gonna show how to make a transparent image and make transparent images of cartoon characters. So you first have to go to this website called Online Image Editor, and the TriSite portal was very nice. Even though it was an update a long time ago, it's still nice. So look, you can do many things in this site, which I'm gonna get to in a moment. So you can upload a lot. You can upload from your computer, upload from URL, curate canvas, and upload from social media sites such as Facebook and Picasa. So we're gonna upload a file and take Tanya for example. So we're gonna put her in the thing here and we're gonna press upload. So now the file is uploaded. Now as you can see, Tanya is up and open. I made another version, but it didn't look as good as this one. So here's Tanya, guys, and here's Tanya, right? In fact, here's the. You know what? This drawing was actually this postal. This Buzzy was actually based off of this drawing. If you guys haven't noticed, it was. There's a photo of me hugging Tanya, and it has. And at like the top left corner, it shows what drawing it originally came from. And I made this in Paint 3D in December 2018 when December 8, 2018, the day I discovered Buddies. That's when I made this drawing. Yeah, Tanya is right there, and I got Tanya on the same day, but 2 months later. It's February 2019, and there's Tanya, Froggy, Santa Bear, oh yeah, 2018 Santa Bear, and Ernst the Eagle from IKEA. He looks really rad there, but you could do a lot of things with this editor. You can resize, crop, add text, rotate and flip, color change, add border, reach net, photo border, round corners, cut shapes, and make animations. You could also add floaties, add glitters, add stars, overlay image, add transparency, which we're going to add in this one, make GIFs, convert photos, flags, add lolcats text, and make animations there. And there's help for all these things. And for 2013, you can add glitter text, speech bubbles, rain, add images and text, expand canvas, and make animations. So this is how you make pictures transparent. You click on the transparency thing, then you click on the color you want to remove the transparency from, because most sites remove everything that's that color. So you can see that Tanya is now transparent. You can remove anything you want here. You can even remove Tanya's face as well as her other eye. You can also move any color you want, Tanya. Yeah, because it's a point and click remover. You could just click onto the specific color you want to remove Tanya's transparency. So we would do that, and now as you can see, Tanya is now on a transparent background. So you might see some little pixels that have got white stuff in it. You might want to zoom in to it and get rid of those. But the bad news, the picture never becomes high quality if you zoom in. And therefore you use like a tool called magnifier to make it clear. Well, I'm using a Chromebook and this doesn't support magnifiers, so how lame. So now we're gonna save this image. I'm using my dad's Chromebook. So now we're gonna see the result. Just as soon as this loads. Okay, it has finally loaded here. So look at it, guys. Tanya from Nature Cat. Yeah. Yeah, I've added her onto my wiki site. Haven't heard this? I made a wiki page for Tanya. Yeah, there's Tanya's got her own wiki page on my Wikia site, my Wikia. I plan to add more pages of my content very soon, cause I currently have 80 pages on the site, and I believe you should check it out. It's gonna be an amazing wiki. But you have to watch my social media content first, then add stuff on this wiki. So here's a wiki page of Tanya. And then in original appearance, she was a pink dog as seen here. She appeared in Friend Nature Game. That's her original appearance. Now she's like an orange cat. That's a picture of her as a Budsy. In that it's taken from that video where it showed you Tanya as a Budsy, a plush doll. That's the real thumbnail of it. There's the view out. There's the photo I was talking about. Except this doesn't have the photo of Tanya on top. This is the original. This was the original photo because this one wasn't edited. It wasn't editable. So, and I didn't say edible. I said editable. I didn't edit. I didn't. Oh, God damn it. I didn't edit this one, cause I have edited one on DVR. This is Tanya from Ninja Cat. You guys need to this character needs to be spread out more to the web, because no one seems to bother knows any background characters other than the main characters and plus some minor characters in the show. But they never know it's Tanya. So there's her disguised as Caroline Tedford, and I have wallpaper for her. Well, she used to be called Ruby the Cat, but I started to drop that name because I now know her real name is Tanya. So there's the original Tanya. There's the original Tanya. There's the original Tanya's reacting to her new Tanya. The name of the photo is called Tanya's Ugly Look, and the old Tanya says. What is that? She looks so mad. She looks furious. And the new Tanya is smiling daisies. Yeah, so yeah, guys, that's a brief Wikipedia of Tanya from Nature Cat. And I decided to give a little more info about her because on a real Nature Cat wiki. Wait, let me get this set up. On a real Tanya page, if you look at Tanya, she only got one line of text. That's it. That is all. That is it. She's only got one line sentence, and it's so short. It's literally a stub because little to no effort was put in this page. You just put like more stuff like here. They should like give a little more info about this character. Well, yeah, guys. So that is how I make images of cartoon characters transparent. So wait, yes, I could close this. So you may subscribe to my channel, comment, rate, and share. Bye, everyone. Have a nice day, and peace out. And don't worry, the Rasmus Google Plus store will be coming up this month. I mean it. It is coming up this month, so don't worry, guys, and Pip. It is coming up this month. Anyway, bye.